The hottest temperature setting on a washing machine will vary depending on the make and model. Most washing machines can reach 90 or 95 Celsius, but some have a maximum temperature of just 60 Celsius. You're unlikely to need temperatures above 60 Celsius, so don't worry if your washing machine can't get to 90 degrees or above. The washing cycles capable of reaching the hottest temperatures are usually cottons, baby care, anti-allergy and drum clean. These cycles can often reach 90 Celsius. The drum clean setting is likely to be the hottest setting by default, as it's designed to be run empty in order to clean the machine and kill bacteria. With other settings, the default temperature is unlikely to be higher than 60 degrees. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more washing machine, laundry and home care tips. Thanks for watching.